I got Illustrator open. I'm gonna grab this little ellipse tool right here, drag that to be whatever size you want. Then I'm going to remove the fill on this because it's gonna be a wireframe globe. So I just want this outline here. I'm gonna take that, copy, paste it back in place, and shrink the size of this one right here and get it to about right there. I think that's good. We're gonna need to highlight both of these again. Select that, make sure we click that, and then click that. That's what we want right there. Now we want to double click into this, go to specified steps, and then we're going to boost that up to about 15, I think would be good. We're going to paste back in the oval again. Let's go ahead and lock this one so that we're not mistakenly clicking on that. I've already pasted in one oval. I'm going to paste in another one. We're going to repeat those same steps, but this time in a different direction. So just going to grab that, shrink it down like so, highlight both of them. Then we're going to go back to the blend tool, click that, then we're gonna set this at say 15 again. We can go in here, kind of bring this together a little bit, just kind of close it off. But yeah, overall that's pretty much your globe. That's it. I'm saying, if you like this tutorial and you want to see me continue to do more, leave a like or something, leave a comment, whatever. Helps with the algorithm, you know how that stuff goes. So yeah, I'll see y'all later.